Good morning, Bill Hecke here with your Monday morning look at our Central Texas weather. It is Monday, the 13th day of July, 2026. Sunrise this morning, 6:33. Sunset will be at 8:36. Climatology out of Waco. Temperature-wise, the normal high temperature for date would be 96 degrees, and the normal low would be 74 degrees. The record 108 set in 2022, the low 63 set in 1975. Yesterday, we topped 97, 1 above normal, the low 76, 2 above normal. Yesterday's record, 109 degrees, was set in 1998, and the low 65 set in 1905. Precipitation yesterday, a trace, a non-measurable amount. We do have flash flood warning in effect until 8:45 for Tarrant County, and they say between 1 and 3 inches of rain have fallen based on radar and automated gauges, and the impact is flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage in low-lying areas. Now, I often tell you that Doppler radar is not the best in the west for radar amounts, and the accuracy is and I'm reading this exactly, just something else that backs up what I tell you a lot of times. Here's the exact wording. Weather radar is remarkably good at detecting where precipitation is falling, but its estimates of how much rain or snow is hitting the ground carry meaningful error. The raw radar signal can differ from what a rain gauge on the ground measures by 30 to 50% or more, depending on distance from the radar station, the type of storm, and how the data is processed. And also it has different conversion formulas for different conditions. For widespread steady rain, and these are stratified, and I often tell you that rain are very small droplets. Rain and drizzle come out of stratified clouds. For cumuliform clouds, those are larger drops. Those are rain showers and thunderstorms. And they say for widespread steady warm, one set of coefficients is applied. For intense summer thunderstorms with large drops, a different set is used. And so they said the problem is that real storms rarely fit neatly into one category. So I bring that up because I say that a lot, because you can't just look at these colors and say, oh, we've had 4 inches of rain, but you see that all the time, and I always try to keep it as accurate as possible. Now, the most I show in a rain gauge at the DFW airport is 1.13, where they have the flash flood warning in effect. I've got 5600s at Fort Worth Alliance, 6400s at Fort Worth Naval Air, Arlington 2600s, and then Grand Prairie had 500s of an inch. So you can see there's quite a bit of difference, but nonetheless, we do have radar returns still in that area, and that's basically where I have them. I still got a little bit over on I-45 in Leon County, but most of them are to the north of us. A little bit in the northeastern part of Comanche County, on the county line with Hamilton and Bosque, eastern Bosque into Northern Hill. Pretty good little shower Northern Hill extending north right into Johnson County. And then some light to moderate indicators on radar just south of the Dallas area in Ellis County, and then a decent little amount from Navarro County northeast from there. And that's about it. We do have variable cloud cover. We are going to look for a gradual increase in precipitation chances as we move through the day. That little boundary north that's been very slow moving is going to sag down into our area later on. We'll look for temperatures topping upper 80s to low 90s, and the winds will shift where that boundary comes through you. Your winds will come around to the north. The rest of us have a southerly wind wind. We'll keep a chance of precipitation off and on, not only this afternoon, but into the evening, kind of backing off a bit early to middle night. And then tomorrow looks like we get a much better chance for more widespread rain showers with a possible thunderstorm. And if we can get the cloud cover and that frontal boundary right down in the area, we'll top in the middle 80s and should get some pretty good precipitation. Kind of start backing off a little bit Tuesday night into Wednesday, and then we should be totally out of precipitation, and I can't tell yet whether it'll be Wednesday night or Thursday, but we'll finish the week on the dry side, but slightly cooler, low to middle 90s. From the KNCT 91.3 FM Weather Center, I'm meteorologist Bill Hecke.